Yeah, YouTube, with the on the black, with the on the chat, so boy don't know the hop now the shot. Yeah. May I say yo, we do some more video again, see if we can get some more virality. Yes, may I say, a long time with the on the thing. You understand? So, yo, may that team happy up too much. Calm me down, bombard. Yeah, so big up all of my fans them, all of my subscribers them, the new YouTubers them. Yes, may I say the new Instagrammer them, the new Facebooker them. Yes, may I say big up everybody. Yes, may I deal with. And big up your fans them. But they share your video and I take time out to subscribe, like and comment. Yes, may I say. So this a video you know. I want everybody comment down in the comment section because we'll touch a lot of things. You understand? We're going to touch a lot of things. Yes, may I say, a lot of things I see are going on in a dancer. Yeah, so big up Mr. Vegas. Scene. Big up Bounty Killer. Scene. Big up Tamale. Scene. Big up a whole lot of dancehall artists. I don't know a thing set up. You understand what I say? So, you find it? Hey, give me 1 minute there. 1 minute. I'm back. I cook some rice and peas, so I don't know. They finalize this answer, so I'm gonna put some file over it and thing. No, I don't know it. Thing set up. But anyhow. Alright, back again. So, alright, here we go on. You see some bad mind things are going on in a dance. And Subi, Mr. Vegas, aka Subi. You see me I say, they burn some fire. He man up on a run for a long time ago, and the man have burn some fire. And with recent days, he bring up Bounty Killer. Remember say, Bounty Killer when call Mr. Vegas, Mr. Giegas. Giegas, you see me I say. Remember say when Bounty says something, you know, whole Jamaica take on to it. You see me I say, because Bounty Killer say him are the poor people governor. You see me I say. But I'm going to show you a thing. You see a thing what they call narrative. It's when a man put out a narrative and the whole everybody around back at it, it's a dangerous thing. You see me I say, because a lot of people want to call fish. You see me I say, I don't know if them are fish in a real life. You see me I deal with a lot of things Bounty say. You see me I deal with and the narrative one push from Vegas. Jacasta. Shh. Now do something. Yeah, sorry about that. The narrative one push from Vegas right now, you know. It's a man deal with the narrative one push from Vegas. See? It slow down the man thing in Jamaica. But Mr. Vegas now is an international artist, so he never really stop him food. You see me I say, but he kind of cut down him shine in a Jamaica. You see me I say, based on what me I see. I go on, you see me I deal with. But, man, big up, give thanks to social media. Because the social media, it make you bring out everything. You see me I say, because here we go on, a man can burn you out, yes, so. And you know, and no powers yourself to talk. But at the end of the day, social media make you can do somewhere else and talk and it go viral and everybody hear. So we have to give thanks to social media because since social media come out and everybody depends on social media now, Vegas could have put out film style that story and make we can understand. It's a man say, and when I look into it, when I listen to some things when I hear Vegas talk, if you go over Vegas channel, you have a channel named Subi. It's a man say, you go over there. It's a man I deal with. I don't know you listen why my talk say for yourself. It's a man say, me hear Footer Hype say some things about Bounty Killer said way. And more man say some things about Bounty Killer said way, and in idea. So much people could not tell so much lie on Bounty Killer. So there must be some truth to it. When I check it out, it's a man I deal with. But the thing is this, when time a man, when the whole country rate you and people say something, even when it's true, nobody no want to listen to it. And that is the problem. It's a man I say nobody no want to listen to it. Because even Vegas said, he may want to say certain things and he couldn't even say it. Because nobody not going to believe him, and at the end of the day, people go boo him and them way there and him ratings are cut down. So at the end of the day, he might feed us bill. So at 20 years ago, is a man say, and now, he might rant now and are doing thing now. Is a man say, and all know me can't hear back Bounty Killer say nothing. Is a man say, Footer Hype when say some whole heap of things about Bounty. And one and two things me a Bounty Killer can say. It's a man say when Footer Hype and take a picture upon the Ferrari and then man say man a pose up on Ferrari and Rary and I call it. Basically I say man a fish and everything. But at the end of the day, America, you can pose for any car you want. You see man say, right now I can go rent a luxurious car and take video and picture like a female. Because I'm in America. You see man say, I can go a one car, man, and the dearest car, I can go test drive it and take picture. So that I know nothing. You see man say, and right now, me say Bounty Killer broke like a dog. Right now. You see man say, because most money what Bounty Killer make a half a dub plate, you know. You get what I say? Most half a dub plate. You see man say, and things cut down, you know, dance cut down. Because coronavirus, me say Bounty Killer bro. You see me I say, and the way man this Vegas and thing, Vegas the most internationally sure. So Vegas make money. Vegas make more, but me feel say Vegas make more money than Bounty Killer. And I feel say, know that. You see me I say, Vegas have billboard. You see me? And where the Vegas put out a new tune of this Bounty Killer, wicked blood cleat song. A new tune he put out, you know. So at the end of the day, you can't go listen to the song and hear how I deal with Bounty Killer in there. And I know say Bounty Killer now go answer. You understand? Alright. Remember say Bounty Killer this Lexus, you know. The Lexus drop off a scene, you know. Overseas Lexus style work. You see me I say? And hold it more man. You see me I say? And at the end of the day, when I look into it, you know, I say, God no. Because I remember Lexus and them and they are bad artists them. You see me I say? Because we give them full 100. We give them full 100. When I say this style name again, you full 100. You see me I deal with some mud sitting. You get what I say? I want to check it out. Bounty make them man their career fall down at Jamaica But them man just travel and make their money said way. It's a man says, so big up to Mr. Lex. It's a man deal with Vegas. So Vegas use social media and up back in thing. Cargo, when drop off, Cargo use social media and up back in thing. And then Cargo go link up with this criminal man, and at the end of the day, when slow him down, but Cargo win the case, you know, set speed. It's a man deal. So a good look for all our artists while them get fight, a good look. Tommy Lee. Remember, you know, Tommy Lee come out, you know. When Tommy Lee come out, you know, the first viral song what Tommy Lee do, I warn them, you know. I can't forget that song there, you know. Wow. Yes, the man said, what, warn them, you know. Hey, Flanker, warn them, you know. Hey, Starspring, warn them, you know. Hey, Granfield, warn them, you know. Hey, Malroad, warn them, you know. Mumpella, warn them, you know. Hey, Anchovy, warn them, you know. Yes, the man said, yo, I have to put for me here and them in that song, too, you know. Yeah, that the song there. Pass round. I want to look a young youth, a school youth, young youth, start pass around a song upon phone, Bluetooth. Them time they have Bluetooth around the place. You understand? I want youth me see in my community, play a song and I say, blood cry song that bad. I say, yo, send it on my phone. Turn on Bluetooth, connect, boom, boom, phone, send. And then now, so when I get this song, everybody, everyone of my friend, everybody when me know, people when me don't know, but just I pass it around to them, Bluetooth. Tommy Lee boss a whole lot viral mobile. And then Flank, Sav, Negril, whole of Blood Creek, Chilani, Uppy Line to the reach a town, viral out, you know. You see me I say? And when Tommy Lee viral out, you know, man, and get mad now in a star and say, oh, Hungry Demon, you know. You see me I say, cause Tommy Lee go link up with Addy, you know. With Cartel, you know. You see me I say, my name Addy too, you know. You don't know every Addy great. You see me I say, well, Tommy Lee go link up with Cartel, you know, bridge. Remember me tell you, and then the thing no normal again, you know. Then the man thing just blew away, you know. Worldwide now, you know. You see me I say, and the killer must call the man and say, yo, me don't like how you do them thing there, you know. Yo, you can't sing them thing there, you know. You can't go to man and tell man say you can't sing them thing there. This man right there, so. And Tommy Lee say, oh, me not take this, you know. Cause yo, when Bounty Killer boss, they run the place, you know, Tommy Lee a baby, you know. But at the end of the day, not sure you to little you to you can't, a different genre they come up, different age, different segment of people, different nation of people that come up. You see what I deal with? So an idea, younger generation, Tommy Lee them grow up on cartoon. You see what I say? Tommy Lee have one song where I sing about heavy cartoon out there. I don't know how a man do it. But a man can sing about heavy blood clot cartoon. You understand? So if a man say Uncle Demon, you know mean say literally in a real life a demon. The man is just a craft and a style the man come with. But you know Bounty Killer now should have said to you would say, yo, what you mean by them thing here? You see me I say, and you would have explain it to you, but no, you tell the man say you can't sing in song them. Another song other time, remember say, you know, you call yourself Bounty Killer, you know. Remember say Bounty Killer was a name. I want a Western man named Bounty Killer, you know, back in the days, where be a killing, you know, be a gun shooting, you know, be a killing, you know. And that the name I take and say a Bounty Killer and sing, be a bad man song. Remember say when you have Beanie Man a splash, you know. You see me I say, Beanie Man sing theme song of a Christianity and you sing for half a badness. You see me, I saw you when going, you know. Till one at a time a Beanie Man a lead. That's why Beanie Man get most dancehall for the year. And then you take over, Beanie take over, you take over till. You see me I say, till you say poor people governor and got the whole place. But Bounty Killer, you never smart. Because your boss will pay you and you never make no real money off of them. You should have do real business. And if you want to do real business, you have more respect for younger artists them. Because you realize say, you make some money off of them. You see me I say? But that is a mistake what you make. And then you start this up all like man, the man say like you run dancer. And Tommy Lee have to come up now and stand up and say, yo, this brother had this me, you know. And make you know, say, yo, go Ted, don't this the youth them. Uncle. You see me I say, and shell the whole Jamaica. The whole world shell. You understand? When time Tommy Lee call you go Ted, the whole world shell in a bunty. When they are Jamaica at the time, you know. And then you come and say Tommy Lee, Nyami Lee, you know. You understand? And then the whole radio station, everybody they call in and them. So when you think about this clash and people I say, yo, the bigger man them are afraid and I say, yo, we don't want this because Bounty Killer elder and thing. Yes, you're elder. But at the end of the day, the whole of it great. Because from your artist and you can listen to a beat and build a story, a style, a pattern, and put everything together, and melody, and make a whole world a dance. That means to say, you're great. So everybody great. Tommy Lee great, you great, me great, everybody great in a dance hall. So at the end of the day, we have to respect one another. So when one see that clash there, I know say you're that dead there, so. Because Tommy Lee come with that new style, new flavor in a dance hall. And right now, Tommy Lee are the wickedest artist in the whole dance hall of Jamaica. The wickedest thing. Up to Wicked and Cartel. Cartel and daddy, because him say, yo, man, you told me daddy. Him still Wicked and Cartel. He wicked at everybody, Tommy Lee. And then I now put my mouth on the ground and talk. You see me, I say, and then true, me come from Mobile, me I say that. The man have an untouchable style that when I go done. You get what me I say? So, from this up, when Bounty Killer sing one song and the man say, yo, this is the last one. You see me I say, you lucky say people them beg out the war bridging. And then man start use brute force. Because man when attack me, say man attack Tommy Lee at all. You see me? So brute force not do it. If you have the lyrics are lyrics. You see me? Because me I listen to the song now. Up to where they me I listen to because them two. Hey, hold on there. Turn off them thing there. I want to play that. I want to play that. May I do something here, so. It's a man, sir. Up to where they may I listen to song there. I'm here. Me hear Bounty Killer have a line when you was back in the days when me in high school. Back in the days when me there high school. It's a man say. He have a one line in his song. Where he must say, wanna be. You look wanna be. First to commence. I'm correct you, Bounty Killer. First to commence, Tommy Lee is not no wanna be. Because Tommy Lee come out and create his own style and his own pattern. See, remember say Merciless sing that line there for. Because Merciless when sound like you when him come out. And you sing a line say Merciless wanna be. Like you wanna be Bounty. But Tommy Lee don't have no style and sound no way like you. Tommy Lee a new, younger generation come up. You understand what I say? So at the end of the day, you shouldn't use him that line there. And when I look into it, I say, yo, you're that dead. You see what I say? So at the end of the day, you done for your time already. Saying, but because the good what you do, and boss a lot of artist people respect you. Because Tommy Lee is your grandson, you know. When you check it, you know. Because say you boss Cartel, you know. And then Cartel come up. Tommy Lee come up on a Cartel, but Cartel, Tommy Lee boss individual, you know. Him go to Cartel, you know. You see me I say? That is the reason why man shot on your blood clot and call you goated. You see me? Because you should respect your youth. You see me I say? So at the end of the day, when me hear all of the things them why the man them I say, me believe them. You understand what I say? Me believe them because it's when a man hype and have the whole world back at them, the whole country back at them, then we do things and people will push you under the rug. But when the next man sit and talk, you see me I say, you hear what come out, you hear video what come out where they say man, Beenie Man sit down in a man lap, you hear about that? You hear about that? And all of them they went push under the rug, Bridget. And man come out now and attack it. But true, him a big artist and I get be a #1 song and dancehall for the ear, man, push everything under the rug. And at that, I frig up everything. But social media now, make everything come out. You see me I say? And I go to Trinidad, go hear something about Beenie Man said way. I've been hearing things about Beenie Man for even before me go to Trinidad. Because Beenie Man used to come and be regular. Beenie Man used to end out and be regular. A lot of things I know about Beenie Man. And if anybody come in my comment section and chat no crap, I go do another video about that. So if you don't want me to tell you everything what I hear about Beenie Man, and I put it in the comment section because I'm not afraid to talk. Is a man I deal with? Yeah. So all of them artists, they're low. All of them low, Bridget. Is a man I say? All of them low. I must say a 2-time Beenie Man can apologize, man. The man make the last apology more sincere. Is a man I say? And when I go to Trinidad and things that I hear, me shame like a dog. You get what I say? Yeah. Shame like a dog. So at the end of the day, big up to young artists, them that come up, all of them that do them thing. I love them. Big up on yourself. Do no music, dog. You see what I say? And I make no big artists where they all out in that thing, what for they all are cool now. Still a fight for dancehall and never make no money. No worry about them. You see what I say? Don't worry about them, Dan. And just come up and do nothing and make no money. Because for no time now. You see what I say? Because me I get all out, you know. And me should have enough of song right now. And me I get all out, you know. But me can't fight a young youth. When me see young youth, them come up, me glad. Because them come up with a different flavor, different style. Because I don't care where you take it. Me can't sing like a young youth. Because me an artist right now in the 90s. 90s, 2000. Because when Cartel went for bus, me went for bus like about 2 years or so before Cartel. You see me I say? So you don't know some is a 2000, 90s, 2000 artists. So the later 2000 artists, them now come up now. Me can't sound like them. Them come with a different flavor. So we have to love them. Because you see, the classic dancehall are 90s, you know. Classic, you know. And then now we have this generation of artists, you know. The next 10 to 20 years. Carly say the next 5 to 10 years. Carly say 10 years down the line. Them the music go turn classic now. You see me I say? So you go have a different classic, like a 2000 version of the classic. Because you have a 90s classic. So big up to all the 90s artists. All the 90s artists, them bad. Every one of them. And big up to teach them. Because teach them. If you go up and teach them channel, you will see all the artists them. Teach them, make a point of duty if you interview them. And yo, me have to big up teach them because that was my idea. But show me the America right now. I'm not there at Jamaica to grow and interview them. You see me I say, so big up to teach them and do a great job in Jamaica. Because if you go up and teach them channel, you can see all of the 90s artists them. Teach them, interview them. Early life, place of birth. So we are dealing. Yes, so at the end of the day, the artists them talk and tell you how them bust and tell you what was the biggest song for them and things like that. Yes, so me I say, already me I watch Danny English for it. And the man I tell you, because Danny just so mad hit song in the 90s there. You know. Yes, so me I deal with. So I saw a thing go, Bridging. So we have to respect them, Bridging. We have to respect the youth them. But they come up here now. Because you make it back in the days, but might be you never make no good deal. Create your own record label. You sign out to all of your music. Is a man say, big up to Cargo, because Cargo fight and dip on the moon, you know. And Cargo they spit some truth. Because Cargo they say right, you know. Me never know say November Cargo born till where day me listen when I'm in live. That's a man say. Big up to Cargo say my Scorpion. Big up yourself. I say most of that time I rate him. Remember, you know, and me give me name King Cargo, you know. And me a Scorpion said we, you know. So you don't know, me don't know. You see me have me thing, me I do my own record label. And no boy, me not sign the shit. None of me think to no boy. All of them me turn. Old man. I can't give me pick them song to sing. You understand? If me turn whole out and me never bust, me pick them can sing it. Right now, me have one little daughter here right now. A superstar that. Jacasta, come here. Superstar. This a girl, this a girl, tell them hello. A superstar, this a girl that mashed up stage, you are ready. Not true, Jiggly?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, so you don't know anything set up. You don't know anything set up. So if me can't sing off all of my soon, me pick me them go come sing them too. You see me, so me not sign not to nobody. You see me I deal with? Yeah. Cause when money for make, when the song go out and start sell, in the first half, you know, cause music, you know, and that's why all our money are coming, and then when you make them money, they pass you, gone to somebody. Me don't need no middleman in my thing, brethren. Me don't need no middleman in my thing. You see me I say, money come straight in from my family, straight in my hand. Me don't need no middleman in my thing. You see me, and that mess up enough of the young artists them. That's why them not on the money savior now. You see me I say, you notice American artists them, you say Jay-Z, so them man rich. Them man, the American artists do business. See Drake come way from Canada, you know, and Drake are in their music in a double in everybody culture. And see why inside popcorn, you know. Right now, any money popcorn make Drake have to get a percentage out there, you know. And so Bunty and Beenie Man when for they do. It's a man deal with, but you never do those things. I know you're trying to badmine everybody and try to put down people. I don't like those kind of things. You understand? Because music and melody and people love music all over the world. You see me? So if you build a song, yes, so, and you know that too. If you build a song at Jamaica, and it's not for Jamaica market, it probably be a Europe market, or it might be a Japan market, or it might be American market. That's how music, or it might be a Middle East market. That's how music go. Because me there Trinidad, and me hear some song when me never hear a Jamaica. Never hear them at Jamaica. And them the song they are #1 at Trinidad. And #1 at one different place. #1 at England. You see me, I never play a Jamaica, never hear a Jamaica. You see me, I say, that's how music stay. You see me, I deal with. So yo, in this music thing is a whole heap of tricky night. And you have to learn. It's like you go to a university. And you have to learn. And you see them little criminal, they was say them a producer. Me no rate them in a that. Me no say, them no good, them good and them know if you do them thing. Big up them said way, but some of them are criminal. You understand what I say? That's why every song I write, I go to the US copyright and I pay to copyright my thing and get my certificate with my song copyright. So a boy can't thief my thing. You understand? I mean, I go sign it to nobody. I sign it to myself. That's how the thing go. Yeah, man. So, based on the whole thing I talk about the music and everything, I'm just left in the comment section and let me know what I think. Cook me a cook. So right now, I'm going to log out, you know. Big up to all of my fans. Them like, comment, share, and subscribe. You see me I say? Yeah. One love, I'm out.